Alright, we're gonna do the thermostat housing on this Lincoln. We're gonna swap it out. So, this is on a 97, so this is gonna be like 91 up, 91 through 97. So they're 10 millimeters. We're just gonna loosen them here. One, two. Go down through the center of those. Get on here. Alright. We're going to get a new one here. Comes with the new gasket. Part number. So we're going to pull that on. We're going to be careful not to lose these little spacers here. So we're going to be one more bolt. I didn't get it all the way out. There we go. So we're gonna pull that. Oh yeah, that gasket's gone. Getting in here, the pain. So we're gonna with these wires cut out that loom out of the way. Move these back carefully. That should. There we go. There we go. Hey. So now, let's get this up and out. Here is that thermostat gasket. I'm going to take my stick and put back in here.
Not sure.
Fix that. There's my spacer. Alright. Now.
I thought Audrey was too.
Let me get my little pocket screwdriver. Wow, that's really stuck. It's way over tightened. That's what the problem was here. That gasket's just wasted. So we're gonna replace all this. All down in here. And we're going to put our new thermostat housing on here. There we go. There we go. Now, on it. So, put this one down in here. There we go. We'll use that to guide that spacer down in there. These have the spacers. Come on, don't get cut off. There we go. Now, we're gonna run. Tighten. Now I'm going to tighten it with a ratchet. There we go. Now we're going to, we'll just stick our wires back in the loop, put everything back here. Wire, 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 wire. I think we're gonna, now we're gonna get this old one out of here. It was leaking. Ooh, the neck's pretty ate up on that one too. It's pretty ate up. There we go. Now we're going to tighten this down. A lot of stuff here over tightened. I'm going to go get some stuff and top off. I want to get this positioned in the same way this hose clamp was. There we go. I like them positioned at the same. There we go. There we go. So I'm going to let you hang out here. I'm going to go get some coolant. We're going to refill this. Alright. Got the coolant topped off. We're going to start it up. We're going to check it for leaks. So, here we go. See what happens here. That's interesting. This steering wheel side to side and up and down and all around play. I don't know if you can see that. Got something going on in that column. So we're going to let it come up to temperature. Brake parts cleaner here. Try to hoe that off. Help dry it off. There we go. We'll re-top this thing off the coolant. Like I said, we're going to let it warm up. There's no clamp on here. Missing that clamp. That's not good. The more I look at this car, the more I find. Not good at all. This could turn into be a heck of a project for me. So this guy, let's see what's going on here. These are common on these to break. These early 90s switches. I'll show a fix for that. But I'll have to get a little screwdriver and get that up. Got the heat on high. Got that ready. Wait for it to open up and also up here for the way they ran the wire. And why would you run the wire around the oil cap where oil can get spilt on them, knowing what happens when oil hits rubber? I mean, if you ever dropped a spark, drop a used spark plug wire in a jar of oil and watch what happens to it. Get some used motor oil. If any of you change your oil, take a little bit of it, drop a used wire in it. So, I don't even know what that is. So, it should actually flip around and be on here. So I'm going to try to get some of those because there should be. They stick on these studs. That's why these studs stick up to the valve cover. They help hold the wire set along with some other stuff. They actually flip around, stick on like that on both sides. This is something flat that don't even go here. That one's, I don't even know what it's tied shut. I don't like those rubbing on that metal there. These wire sets got to be reran right. We'll rerun this wire set. I don't like it. It's gonna arc out. Not running as smooth as some others. I can feel a slight stumble in it. There's still some stumble in it. I don't know. But we're still waiting for it to warm up. Trying to find everything that's done. We got a fix here. This one has to be fixed too. So fix the, oh my god, this door panel. I have broke a door panel. Okay, so we're gonna fix the door panel too while we're in here. So a lot of people take these door panels off, don't know all about the hidden screws, and they're just not real careful with them. And you end up with that. I'm going to take a non-marring trim tool here. We're just going to pull this up while we're waiting on this thing to come up to running temperature. See if it leaks. We're up to a few bars. Come on. There we go. Yeah, there's where she's broke. And we're going to see about the trim panels and whatever else that's hell we all got here. There it is. Yeah. Fix that right. It's got to have a window regulator. We'll do it. Fix it right. That's tape close. I got the spring broke off of it. Oh boy. So, what I do with parts, look at that. I put the old parts in a box. And I take them like this. Okay? And I don't put them in the car. If I put them in the car, it could get it dirty. We're going to pop the trunk. I'm going to take this. I'm going to set them down there. Just like that, in the trunk. Okay. We carefully close the trunk on these 90 town cars because they're an auto pull down. People slam them and break them. So, we're up to run a temperature finally. And, let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Thermostat's opening. Nice and dry. Nice and dry. And that's not clocked correctly. That spark plug wire's too short there. That's why it's going like that. So, we are going to do those, and we're going to do them the right way. We're not going to lay out. It's just not nice to have them lay out like that. We like them to look right. I'm kind of picky. Had replacement coil on that side, but not that side. Interesting. And we'll like to use those aftermarket coils like that, but whatever. We're going to leave those. It's running good enough. And I noticed it does have a check engine light on. Let's see. Yeah, check engine light. So we're going to figure out what that's on for too. We'll advise them. I think all I'm going to do is the windows, the switches, get the switches back in the doors. I'm going to see if I can't find one of these covers. I think I have one sitting left around somewhere. Okay. I don't like the way that's drilled out. And I'm going to try to fix this cover too. Is this door broken? Nope. Cool. Oh, that is. I will fix that for them. Shame. But we're going to have to tear that column apart at one point, so figure out what's going on with that. So I will, and we'll do that. We got more stuff coming up with ball joints and everything, so I want to thank you for watching, and like, subscribe, rate. This has been the thermostat housing and thermostat and gasket replacement on the, this town car. That's how you replace the thermostat, gasket, housing, O-ring, whatever. And yeah, have a wonderful day, and you all be blessed.